What's up, guys? In the last video we reviewed all of this code, many offers. So today we will learn something like p tag or paragraph on the correct one. This is text tag, which you will use for writing text. Let's write something here, for example, it's kind of like if you can write all of this without p tag. I will answer if you write tag v in a CSS, for example, you may want to make this text in white color. For example, I would use white color, of course. In white color or in green, doesn't matter. Whatever you want to make. For example, let's search for pixel. This kind of thing which can generate as a random text, for example, like that. Let's copy this one. Very nice. Like that. So, nice. If you see this one, you see, we have a paragraph tag, you can write this as P point and give out this tag. For example, make it like in center, make it faster, make it smaller, make it right one. I have actually one, so I'm going to try to make this operating system. And you see what the design is, and what you see one. And what you have here, it has a one, a break, Jesus breaks, and you see this something like that. I definitely will need, I know that these are the and so let's see now. Let's type together, let's type D. That is a two packages, so what you will need like D. I think we need for like row, that your for example, you should know that this one the search bar, this is one of this is in one row, and actually in this one, in this kind of habits, you will add. Actually, if we now like that, press capitalize, and update our website. We will not do something kind of different because, as I said, he just grew your code here, for example, he grew your code. This kind of, no, this kind of, but not here. Here, all of the content here is open, but for color, all time, we see more than single your visitor of your website. Your visitor, which looks doesn't matter, just one photo, some text, and whole with the right key, but you write approximately 30 lines of code. Yeah. And else you will need div in order to make the styles. For example, as I said, in CSS, with the help of CSS, you can make give a style for all of this code which is into the div. For example, just div. This is place a container row. In the div we have p tag, we have br, and all of this you can make give the style just by writing div tag in CSS. Well, I think it was very useful. I think it was useful information for all of you. I know that it's not so visible, but when you get started making your first website, I'm sure that you will need all of these tags like p and br and div exactly. So don't forget to subscribe, man or woman. Thank you, everyone.